guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix YouTube error code 152. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is clear cache for the app. So launch settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find YouTube and launch it. Now click on upload app, click on upload app again. Now click on reinstall app. If you're using Android device, press and hold on the YouTube app, click on app info, go to the storage option, then click on clear cache and confirm it. Now give a fresh restart to your device. After you do that, head over to App Store or Play Store. Now go ahead and search for the app YouTube. Once app appears, click on it. Now if you see the option of update, click on it. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the error, then you will need to completely delete the YouTube app. So press and hold on the YouTube app. Select the option remove app. Click on the option delete app. Click on delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, then search for the app YouTube and install it. And that's it. With this solution, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.